this video, we will show you how to block somebody on LinkedIn. To block somebody on LinkedIn, you need to find the people that you want to block. For example, let's find the people like this, and you can click the profiles, and in here you need to click more button, and you need to click report or block in here. Then you need to click the block, and to process you can click block in here. Let's block these people, and to unblock the people, you need to go to your privacy, because you can find the people again in here. Okay, you can go to your privacy to unblock the people. Then you need to scroll down and select visibility in here. Scroll down in visibility and choose blocking. Click the blocking menu, and you need to click unblock to unblock the people. You need to type your password in here. After that, the people or the member is successfully unblocked. You can find the people again after you unblock the one. Okay, that's all tutorial how to block and unblock people on LinkedIn. Hope this video helpful for you.